Lecture recording with Panopto. At the beginning of the lesson, click the Panopto icon to start the Panopto program. Click Sign In. Select Hong Kong U-Portal UID and click Sign In. And log in to Hong Kong U-Portal using your personal account. A pop-up appears to prompt you to open the Panopto recorder. First of all, search and select your course folder. Second, select the correct video and audio source. You can also check the sound volume by checking sound bar. You can also enable the capture computer audio and check the secondary source. You can also enable the screen capture preview. After everything is set, click Start Recording. Now you can start your lesson. At the end of the lesson, stop the recording. The recording is complete. Click Done. If it is a long recording, it will take some time to upload to the server. Add the Panopto block on Moodle. You will only have to do it once. Log into your Moodle course and click Turn Editing On. Scroll down to the bottom of the page, and you can add a new block by clicking the Panopto block. Recordings will appear on the Panopto block once it's ready.